So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can add event to the iPhone calendar. So first of all, open the calendar app on your iPhone. Now after this, select the date on which you want to add the event. For example, let's select 8 April. Now after this, tap on this plus icon. And now you can add a new event. Here you will see these two options at the top, event and reminder. If you want to add an event, then select event. Now after this, add the title of the event. For example, let's say lunch. After this, you will get the option to turn it on for all day. If you want it, then turn on this toggle. Else, you can leave it as it is. Now after this, select the start time and the end time. For example, let's select 2 p.m. and 8 April as the start time. And let's select 4 p.m. and 8 April as the end time. Next, you will have the option to repeat it. If you want it, then tap on this option. And now, you will have these options: never, every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, every year, or custom. Select an option. For example, let's select every year. After this, if you want, then you can invite someone. For this, tap on this option. And now, add the contact you want to invite. Next, if you want, you can add the attachment, type URL, or add the notes. Once done, tap on add. And as you can see here, this added an event to the 8 April. So this is how you can add event on iPhone calendar. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.